Hey there, welcome back. This is Stephanie Frank with FreedomOps.com, and on this video we are going to discuss how to create a Facebook fan page, and then we'll get a little bit more into getting started with Facebook marketing. So let's just jump right in, going over to your browser, and if you by chance don't have the profile set up yet, your Facebook profile, but you'll just go to facebook.com and click sign up and fill that information in. So this is my home page. I'll show you. This is my personal page, and as you see, my personal page is more geared to what I like, a little bit more personal stuff. I love beaches. I went to Hawaii. I lived there for 3 years, so I really love that picture. So this is my personal page, and this is what it looks like. And you may be saying, well, what do I need a fan page for? What's the point of having a fan page? And there's quite a few reasons to have a fan page. One is a personal page, like I said, is used for more personal type of posts. So Facebook actually doesn't like it when you post business stuff on your personal page. That's what they want you to use your fan page for. Another difference with the personal pages is that you can only have 5,000 friends. And if you're looking to go worldwide and be massive and huge, you want a bigger list than just 5,000 people, and you can't do that on your personal page. You're going to max out. Let's click over to my fan page. Do you notice right here I've got a couple of little pictures here, but if you click this down arrow, there's more. These are all called applications. If they click here, it's going to take them to my FreedomOps.com site, which of course is number one. These are just pictures. This right here, it says Watch Stephanie Frank. It's connected to my YouTube channel. I found an app there. This has got my Rippling invite. I've got my Twitter, my Pinterest, my blog, and then I have some videos and events. I've done a couple of webinars that I've put on here that I link my Facebook page to. So people really have access to all of my information on my Facebook fan page. You can really customize all this stuff to make it exactly all about you and what your interests are. People can really learn a lot about you as a person and what type of business partner or person you are. So the main reason why you want to have a fan page is you're branding yourself, and you're going to hear that so much in web marketing. You're using attraction marketing by being who you are, branding who you are, what you want you to say about your business using your Facebook fan page, and that in turn is branding yourself. So as you can see, I've got some normal stuff on here. I've got a lot of inspirational stuff here. I really try to inspire. I put some cutesy stuff here and there. I use a lot of quotes. I really love to use really nice pictures like this. These are just awesome art pictures I just found. As you see, I'm not just posting, hey, come and join FreedomOps. Hey, come and join whatever it is. Here's my blog. There's my children. I like to keep it personal as well, but not too personal. There's some great quotes. But the main thing I do see here is one on my fan page. I try to always provide value. Like here's a Pinterest tip. Now, did you know that you can send a pin via email or directly to someone else's board? We'll get more into Pinterest later, but I find something that I think is cool. I take a picture of it. I set it up, and I use Paint. I copy and paste. I use really easy stuff. I do it myself. And I post those pictures because I find that valuable. I think that if someone's using a Pinterest social media, it would be good for them to know that, so that's an example of something that I did there. This is inviting people to go to my blog post. I'm not just telling anybody, hey, come join FreedomOps. I'm just providing value to them about FreedomOps. It takes it right to my blog. See? So, and it takes them to FreedomOps, and then there's a call to action at the end, why don't you come and join this system? So I'm not really like posting all this come buy stuff on my page. And here's a great picture I found. This guy just put his money all over the place, and I thought that was hilarious. I'm like, wow, this person really just wants to share their money. So I thought it was great. So I put that on my business page. So how to create a fan page. Okay, so what you need to do to get a fan page like this, you want to go to your personal profile that you have set up. You're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. Once you get there, you're going to see this that says create page. And all you do when you're logged in to your profile, click on create page, and it's going to take you to this page here. All right, so now next is what kind of category are you going to be in? Now, we're online marketers. Coming into FreedomOps.com, you are a web marketer. So you're going to brand yourself as a public figure, which is right down in here. So you go into here, public figure, and our category is going to be business person. So you select business person, And then you select your name. Now my name is Stephanie Frank. That is my personal page, profile's name. I'll just call it Stephanie Courtney. Okay, and I'm going to click Get Started. Now we have just started to create our Facebook fan page. A couple of things you want to remember. In the About section, this is where you could do a little call to action. You want to include your freedomops.com URL. So once you get that, you should have already have that link. You know, for instance, I'm a web marketing coach focusing on social media. Oops. And just a little bit about yourself. It doesn't have to be that in detail. And you always want to let people know that you're interested in meeting new people because you want them to come and say hi to you. Let them know that you're available. And then oops. You know, something like that. And again, we'll get more in details about customizing and all that information later. Okay, and then here, let's say I want to add my blog, and then you say, so we'll go ahead and move on to profile picture. Now, profile picture is important because it needs to be clear, it needs to be professional, and it needs to be consistent. You don't want to have like 10 different pictures of yourself all over and everyone's like, she kind of looks like this person. I don't know. You can if you want, that's fine, but it's recommended that you choose one. You want it to have bright colors. You want to be smiling. If you notice, I have the same one. We'll go up here. You can pretty much see them all over the place. My little red outfit. Here's my Facebook fan page with this picture. And then here is my personal page. I have the exact same picture. So it really helps people know, hey, that's Stephanie Frank. It's the same picture. It's got to be her. So you can put anything you want on there, but I would recommend putting your face on there. Yeah, put your beautiful face and brand you, not your product. Okay, so step 3, Facebook web address. Now this is critical because this is going to be your Facebook URL. This page is called Stephanie Courtney, so I'm going to call this facebook.com/Stephanie Courtney. And then I would set that address. Most likely you'll be able to find one that's personal to you. Like I said, mine is Marketing with Stephanie, and that one went fine. Okay, so once you click onto the next section, as you see, it brought me into the window and it's pulling up this information. It's going to show you what all this stuff is, and it's letting me know, hey, Stephanie Courtney, show support for the work that you've done and go ahead and like your page. You're going to be the first person. So bam, I am my first like. Then it takes me to the next area. I almost said FreedomOps. Facebook is very good like that. They're going to lead you through the whole thing, kind of like FreedomOps.com. So now it's asking me if I want to invite my email contacts. Now I'm going to go ahead and stop right here because it's going to take me through all this process, and this is the kind of stuff we're going to go over in the next video. So in the next video, we're going to discuss how to customize and how to set up your Facebook fan page to optimize to get more likes, to get more leads, because that's the point of your Facebook fan page. So go ahead, take a break, and come back and let's get started on the next video. Thanks for watching. Again, this is Stephanie Frank with FreedomOps.com.